How to create a workspace in Trello. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we will be talking about this platform called Trello. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on the sign up button and you would be able to create your own account for Trello. Now after that, you would be redirected to this home board over here, and you will look over here on the left side. This is where you would be able to see the different workspace. You can simply click on this add button over here beside the workspace, and through this method you would be able to create a new workspace. For example, the workspace name would be creating new, just like that, and you would be able to create workspace type, for example human resources. You could add a workspace description and simply click on continue. You can invite your team by adding their emails over here, or you can invite them with a link. And just like that, we were able to create a new workspace in Trello. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.